This is how to sync audio with the video in Premiere Pro CC tutorial. If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Drag the video and the audio piece that you would like to sync together onto the timeline. The next step is to make the audio piece louder by clicking G or right click and click again. Now this step is optional, but I simply do this to make the process easier. The next step is, if you have a dry space in your audio, to make a cut and then delete that dry space and to drag the audio. So this will also make the step easier. Now to the fun part. You want to highlight both the video and the audio piece on the timeline that you would like to sync together, and then right click and click the option which is above merge clips, which says synchronize. And we're going to click this option, the last option, under audio and track channel. You can choose whichever you'd like, but I'm choosing mix down. Now if you get this error, audio synchronize failure, you want to make sure that everything is checked on here as far as the video and the audio layers. And same thing with this audio. And then right click and click synchronize, and then you can try track 1 or track 2. If you still get this error, then you're going to have to manually synchronize both the video and audio yourself. So scroll in on both of the audio pieces and on your timeline, and then click, make sure that the audio is selected, and drag this to the right until you have perfectly sunk audio. Let's see what this sounds like. And there you have it.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.